Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another fall video. I have been loving making these videos. As we can tell, I'm wearing my little East Coast fall sweater and my skincare headband from American Eagle. I want to get ready really quick because in today's video we are actually going to be decorating some of my apartment. And when I mean some, I just mean putting out little bits of fall, not the full thing at all, because I'm going to do a full video on that probably in the middle of August. But I thought it would be fun to at least do a little bit of fall decorating together. But before we do that, I want to quickly get ready just a little bit for the day. I really want to put on these pumpkin eye patches. These are the Plumpkin eye patches. They're really good. I got them off of Amazon, and first of all, they smell really good in my opinion, and they remind me of pumpkins. So I'm just going to put these on because they're very cooling and refreshing, and personally I could use that right now because I am a little bit worried about the state of my apartment because there's actually a few leaks in my apartment that they have to fix, and it has not been an easy time, but it is okay. We are working on getting it fixed. But I definitely need some cooling and relaxing eye patches. I'm not going to do a lot of skincare right now because I am going to do more skincare later, but I just want to look somewhat put together for the day. So I'm just going to put on this Rhode lip shape in the shade Press. I always like putting on the Tarte Juicy Lip. I feel like this is like such a good combination that I really like. And then for hydration, we are going to put on my Aquaphor. I actually need to get more Aquaphor because I'm running out. I went out with my friend last night and my hair was in a slick back, so we're going to keep my hair in somewhat of a slick back, but we're going to keep it fall themed, of course. So the first thing I'm going to do is just brush out my hair, trying to brush out all the product that I did have in it just in case I can get any of it out so that it's more fresh, and then do a half up, half down. My hair is still kind of straight because I had it straight last night. Do a little bit of my Good Behavior Juicy Frizz and Fly Away Taming Wand. I love this stuff so much. It's so good. I switch between this one and the Day Styling Cream wand. Then I like to go in with some hairspray just to make sure that nothing flies away. And then I'm going to use my little Park clip. I'm going to use the orange one because I feel like it's giving fall, and just put it in the back of my hair. I feel like that looks cute, hopefully. And that is going to be it for my hair. The last thing I'm going to do is put on this Vanilla Skin Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. Smells so good and reminds me of fall. And then lastly, this really doesn't have anything to do with fall, but just because I feel like it adds to a slick back look, I'm going to put on my earrings for the day. That's going to be the little outfit for the morning. These cheetah leopard pants are from Ari. They're so comfortable. This sweatshirt is from the TikTok shop. And then we have my little Park clip. My bed is unmade and it's really annoying me, but the whole reason it's unmade is because we're going to put some fall bedding on. So I'm going to go get that out of the laundry, and then we're going to redo my whole bed, make it look really festive, put a little bit of fall decor up, and really get into that fall mood.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one, and
now that my apartment is semi-decorated for fall and looks so cozy, I am so excited and really in a fall mood. I want to put on a fall little show, probably Gilmore Girls. I love that show. I watch it all the time. And I want to make a fall-infused sourdough bread loaf. I have been obsessed with making sourdough, and I've actually almost mastered it, I want to say. And I saw these TikToks of apple pie sourdough, of pumpkin sourdough, of cinnamon sourdough, so many different things that you can add into sourdough. And I thought it would be cute to do a pumpkin infused sourdough loaf. So basically you mix the pumpkin into the sourdough, let the dough rise, and then you make the sourdough into like an actual pumpkin with yarn, and it looks really cute. And then you use cinnamon to make the little stick. So it's going to be a pretty long process. I'll start it in the morning. It probably won't be done until the night, but it's good to start now. So we're going to do that as my fall breakfast prep for tomorrow. And on top of that, we're also going to make a fall coffee because I feel like that's just something we need to do. So let's go to the kitchen now that we have all my fall decor up for now and make our fall inspired pumpkin sourdough loaf.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
is made. I put it in this really cute anthropology cup. It's like little vampires. And then I did pumpkin syrup, cold brew, pumpkin creamer, I think it's called, and then pumpkin cold foam on top with some cinnamon. Looks very good and I'm very excited about it. My pumpkin sourdough bread is rusting because it has to rise. So in the meantime, I thought it would be a great idea to show you guys some of my new fall clothing from Halara. Halara is actually sponsoring this video, which I'm so excited about, but all opinions are my own. Something I really like about Halara is they are very big on believing that clothing should fit your comfort and movement. I really like how Halara is big on empowering you to embrace yourself, your style, and your movement, and to be comfortable with who you are, because that is so important and something I truly look up to. Going along with that, I also love how Halara has so many different types of clothing on their websites. You name it, they probably have it. I'm talking dresses, skirts, yoga pants, leggings, shirts, sports bras, literally probably every piece of clothing that you can think of they have. And it's also so nice because it's all so comfortable, but also very stylish and very durable. The quality of their clothes is amazing. I also love that all of the fabric of their clothing has been carefully selected to ensure softness, stretchability, and a comfortable yet breathable feel while also remaining durable, like I was saying before. Halara has a range of sizes between extra small and 4X, which is so amazing. I also love how there's so many different styles and colors on their website. I picked out all of my clothing in relation to fall, and I feel like every single color I picked out really screams fall in a different way. I love Halara because of all of those things, but also because there's just a huge range of activewear to casual wear to ensure that everyone can find a piece that aligns with their personal style. Now that all of that's been said, I do have a discount code. You can use the code COSTA15 for 15% off your order for full priced items, and I will have everything that I'm going to show linked down below. So like I was saying, everything that I got, I was really trying to incorporate a fall type of theme because I love fall, and even though I'm in Florida, I still want to wear fall colors and feel like that autumn vibe. So I got a lot of green, I got a lot of brown, I got blue, I got black, I got purple because purple reminds me of Halloween. Just a lot of autumn colors. So starting off, I'm going to start with these shorts. These are the most comfortable shorts I have ever put on, and I'm so happy I found a pair of shorts like this. So they're in this like olive green color, and for me, I am not a big fan when it comes to biker shorts because personally, I don't like the way I look in them, but for these, I actually felt very comfortable and very snatched in them. I love how stretchy they are, and I also love how the length is a little bit longer. Usually I would prefer a shorter short, but for this, I honestly think it was so nice because when I went on a run, the shorts did not ride up at all. Another thing about Halara is I love how they're always thinking about what you may need while you're on a run or a walk. So they included these little pockets on the side, which is amazing because you can put your phone in there, you can put your wallet in there, and just makes it so much easier to be a little bit more hands-free and not have to worry about things falling out of your pockets because they're a tight pocket. Really love these, and for reference, I got these in a size small. Next, moving on, I stuck with the green color. I got a little green sports bra. This one is more of like a summer to fall transition piece, and when I say fall, obviously I'm not just wearing these during the fall. I'm just saying that I picked these for a fall inspired wardrobe, if that makes sense. So I got this really cute sports bra. I really like it. I think that Halara sports bras are so stinking comfortable, but also very durable and honestly sweat proof. Whenever I go to an Orange Theory class and I wear them, I never have a problem with sweating through, which is really important to me because it makes me feel extra comfortable. I also love the back. I think it's so cute and honestly looks amazing on, and the padding and everything on the sports bra makes me feel very secure, which is very important to me. And for reference, I got this in a size small as well. Moving right along, I actually got another green piece. Now this one is one of my favorite dresses from Halara. I have this in multiple colors, which is amazing because I feel like you can wear them for so many different occasions, but it's this really cute dress. It looks like this, and something I really like about this dress is there's actually shorts underneath the dress. That's really nice because you have something under the dress, but it's also really nice because there's pockets on the side and there's easy access to the back. I really love the material. Like I said, it's very stretchy and I think it's very flattering on my body. And for reference, I got this in a size small. This is called the Easy Peasy dress, and let me just tell you, the name definitely fits the dress because it is very easy peasy. Next things next, I'm moving on to the same exact dress but in black. I feel like this one was just so snatching. I absolutely love how it looked, and something I really like about this is the backing of it because it crisscrosses in the back. Even though it is a activewear dress, I feel like you can really style it up or style it down, which is something I really appreciate, and I never sweat through it, which in Florida that is very important to me. We're moving on to this really adorable shirt that I got. I got this in a size small. This is the most comfortable material I've ever put on because it's very light but also very securing, and I really like the style of this shirt. I feel like you can dress this up or dress this down. I also love how it's kind of like slanted, so it gives a little cute neckline, which I think is really pretty. It is very stretchy. Everything from Halara is so stretchy and so comfortable. Next, moving on, I actually got 2 pairs of these really nice pants. Now, this is kind of like the same thing. You can style them up, you can style them down. This is what they look like. They're very stretchy and they are also like open-legged, which I really like. They are a very comfortable material, and something that I really like about these is that I feel like you can wear them to an office or work. I feel like you can style them up with like a nice little bodysuit and a heel, and I feel like they would pass the vibe. But you can also wear them for loungewear around the house. Obviously more of probably like an office casual vibe type of thing, but definitely I would say work appropriate as long as you style them up a little. I think they're very cute, and there's many ways to style them up or down. I also got a similar pant in purple. Very, very stretchy, very nice. They have pockets. They look very nice. They're open legs. You can wear them with boots. You can wear them with heels, with maybe like a bodysuit, or you can style them down and like wear them with a sweatshirt or something like that. I think these are adorable, and they are more of like a linen material, which personally I really like. Moving right along, we're going to move in to my leggings. So I love going to Orange Theory, and I'm always looking for a good supportive legging that makes me feel good about myself in the class, and I found these really pretty brown leggings. I also like them because they have a little scrunch in the back, which I feel like makes everything look very flattering, and it's something I really like. And I also just love the color. I think they're adorable, and I cannot wait to continue wearing them. Next, moving right along, I got a similar pant, but it is a yoga pant, so it's basically the same thing as the leggings with the scrunching and everything, but it's just an open leg. So they look like this. They're pretty stretchy. I will say with these, they're a little less stretchy because of the sculpting they have on the back, but let me tell you, they're so comfortable. The open leg on the bottom is so stinking cute, and I don't even mind that they're not as stretchy because they look so good on. This is what they look like, and I highly recommend. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole haul because that's how good they are, and the material is amazing. Next, moving right along, I got a little cardigan because if there's one wardrobe piece that reminds me of fall the most, I think it would be a cardigan. Look at how amazing this cardigan is. It's like a little like knit type of sweater cardigan. It is super soft, super nice, and I love the color as well. I feel like the color, like this beige brown color, is screaming fall. It also is very long and has pockets, which I really love, and you can wear it in so many different ways. You can style it up, style it down, and honestly, I just love it so much. And the last thing I got from Halara is another pair of leggings because I love going to my workout classes, and also I just love wearing these around the house. I got the same ones that I got in brown and black. They are a little less stretchy but still have a good amount of stretch to them. They have the pockets, they have the little scrunch in the back, and honestly, they're just such a good legging. I probably have worn them around 5 times already, and I just got them. That is everything I got from Halara. I'm so excited to be wearing all of these for my new little fall haul. Remember that you can use my code COST15 for 15% off any full price items. I will have everything linked down below. Thank you to Halara. And let's go check on my sourdough because I hope it's ready. It is now 1:42, and I just need to point out that I have on my stove here a sign that says don't turn on sourdoughs in here because I keep sourdough starter in here because there's a lot of warmth in the microwave, and that's how I got my starter to rise. I just had one of my loaves come out of the oven. It looks very flat because I didn't have enough starter, and I also let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours and it wouldn't rise. It just kept going flat, but don't worry, it still smells good. For my pumpkin one, it's a completely different recipe that I never tried before, and I really hope it's good. But the recipe for some reason didn't say to let it sit in the fridge overnight. It just said to let it sit on the counter for 2 hours. So that's what I did. It smells really good. I don't know if you guys can see well, but it smells really good. After I added the inclusions, I let it sit in the fridge in its little basket, and I preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Now we are going to use this string, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it kind of to make like that pumpkin form. I'm going to try, and then wrap it around it, put it in the oven, let it bake. Hopefully it rises, and then we should have really good sourdough. But that's what we're going to try to do. Hopefully it works. now 3 o'clock. I ended up changing into my little bear pumpkin sweater because I got flour literally everywhere. My pumpkin loaf smells really good. It doesn't look like a pumpkin. I really tried to do the string method and it did not work. So if anybody has any ideas on what I did wrong, please let me know. I also think the recipe that I tried probably needed to have it rise a little bit more because it doesn't look very puffy, but it smells so good. We're going to let it cool for a little bit longer and then we're going to see how it looks on the inside. You know that sound where it's like, I hope you're ready for nothing? That's what I feel like this is going to be, but let's just give this a try. Okay, honestly, it looks pretty good. It smells so good. I ended up trying the bread. It was actually really good, especially with a little bit extra cinnamon sugar and some butter. I threw on my Halara yoga pants and I kept on this little bear shirt, and now we're going to go fall shopping. Not going to go too crazy because I already have a lot of stuff, but I do just like to go into the stores and see if there's anything new out and if anything catches my eye. I am still looking for 2 throw pillows for my couch. I'm looking for a cookie jar fall themed, hopefully the bear one, and honestly that's pretty much it. And also maybe like some skincare. I want to get the EOS pumpkin flavor that's coming out, and also I just want to look around and see what else is coming out. So I think we're gonna go to Target, Home Goods, and Marshalls probably. So here's my little fit of the day for shopping. I love these Halara pants and I felt like they matched the fall vibe. So we're gonna go fall shopping and I'm excited.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stay.
I just got home from shopping. Me and my friend went to Target, which honestly Target still didn't have a lot of stuff out for fall. They had a lot more stuff, but not a lot at all. It was more like fall colors, but not like actual like pumpkins and stuff like that, an exception to their dollar section and their fall candles, but that's been out for like a week now. Then we went to Kohl's, and our Kohl's did not have a lot of stuff, but online they have a lot of stuff, so maybe it just didn't come in yet. And then we went to Home Goods and Marshalls, and I didn't get anything this time because I honestly didn't see what I was looking for, and I'm really trying to only get what I'm looking for, which I told you guys before. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you to Halara for sponsoring this video. Again, make sure to use code COSTA15 for 15% off your order of anything that's full price, and I'll have everything linked down below. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.